Rick. Where are we going today?
Today we're going to the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
How fun!
Oh,
Cool.
it's not bad being able to go to the Leaning Tower of Pisa for an afternoon day trip.
Well, stay tuned.
Oh yes, definitely.
Pisa is located in Tuscany, 100 kilometers west of Florence.
Well, here we are in Pisa. We just parked the car and we're on our way to the tower. Come with me.
The Leaning Tower is located in the Piazza Dei Miracoli, the Miracle Square, where you can also see the Baptistry, the cemetery, and the Duomo. You can buy the tickets on site or online, but remember, to climb the tower, you need to make a reservation in advance. We start our visit at the Baptistry. This remarkable Gothic building is also known for its amazing acoustic. From the upper level of the Baptistry, you can have an amazing view of the Duomo. We continue our visit at the Monumental Cemetery. Here you can see some remarkable tombs of the most famous people in Pisa. According to legend, the cemetery is built on earth brought from Jerusalem by Crusades. On the walls you can also admire some remarkable frescoes. In the cemetery you can also admire a large collection of Roman artifacts. Here you can see the fresco of the Last Judgment painted by Buffalmacco. The construction of this masterpiece started in 1277. We continue our visit at the Duomo. The large bronze doors were built by Gian Bologna. The construction of the Duomo started in 1064 and it's built in Romanesque Pisan style. And here you can see the carved pulpit built between 1302 and 1310 by Giovanni Pisano. And here you can see the mosaic of the Christ in Majesty by Cimabue. And this is the chapel and the tomb of San Ranieri. And we finally arrived at the tower. Unfortunately, we did not make a reservation, so we cannot climb it this time. We hope you enjoyed our short visit to Pisa. If you did, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.